And one other thing, if it bothers you, which it doesn't bother me at all, okay, in the bag, there are some holes in the bag. Like when you originally get your bag, see there's holes in your bag, right? And they put the holes there so they can put the tie, because, you know, it's a gift bag. So there'll be a couple holes up here at the top, but I don't worry about it because, like I said, it's going to be on your wall. Who's going to see that? Nobody. So I don't worry about little things like that. And like I said, we'll go ahead and E6000 that onto the top. Okay? And I think this turned out gorgeous. So pretty. Isn't that just so gorgeous, you guys? I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this has to dry, and as soon as it dries, then I will take my little brush here and get the excess off of here. And then let me show you the one, how it looks when it's finished, after it's dried, and you've taken all the excess glitter off. This is what it'll look like. Just a second. I'm just brushing the glitter, excess glitter off this other one that we just finished. Okay, and then that's what it looks like when it's finished. And all the excess glitter's off of it. Look how pretty that is. So gorgeous. So I hope you guys like this idea of what you can do with the beautiful gift bags at Dollar Tree. Be looking out for these gift bags. They are so, so beautiful. Here's the other gift bag that I'll be doing, which I think is gorgeous. That's the glitter side. I'm going to be framing that. And then this is the side I'll be putting on one of these round ornament signs. And then the other one I'm going to do is this one. And I already have it cut out. I already cut it out of the bag. It'll be this one. Isn't that gorgeous? They look like Thomas Kinkade paintings, and it's not Thomas Kinkade. I thought I saw the artist on here. Who is the artist? Her work is beautiful. Susan Rios. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love it. So I hope you guys like this idea, and you guys get yourself some Christmas bags and try this. So keep an eye out for these Christmas bags. The ones with these beautiful houses. And if you don't use these bags, there's a million other bags that are really beautiful at Dollar Tree too, or any of the other stores you go to. So just be on the lookout for bags that you like, and then look out for these. My stores, all my stores have had plenty of these like bell signs. Pick some of these up. Make sure you pick up the ones that that look like this, where you can actually, it has that little wire at the back, and you can take them off of here. You can remove this piece off of here, the hanger part. Okay, you guys, that is it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. That'd be great. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Come visit me on Facebook and Instagram. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. And I'll be back soon with some more easy Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay, bye.